Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about this 15-piece set I found on Amazon. Now, I already have this one out of the bag to show you everything what's included, and I got it in two different set colors. So this is the dark colored one, and this is the light colored one. So you can definitely mix and match whatever you want. So let's talk about all that you're going to get. First of all, you get the plastic bag case, so that's really useful. And then you're going to get two sprays. I really like that they're color coordinated. As you can see, they match black and white. That is super cute. You're also going to get two smaller and two bigger containers. I would use these, for example, for shampoo and conditioner. As you can see, they have a little spout right there, so you just gotta press on this. And I really like the silicone that they use. Very flexible, very easy to push out everything that's inside. So you're definitely going to get bunch of use from that. You're also going to get two little black containers and two white ones with applicators as well, which is super great. As you can see, they act kind of like a little spoon. They have an indent there, so you can scoop up just enough product. And again, I like that they're color coded. Lastly, you're going to get this brush for cleaning the inside of your tubes when you're done back from traveling, and a little funnel to, of course, put everything in there, which makes life so much easier. Lastly, you also have this little sheet that gives you a bunch of suggestions and stickers to put it on the cases so you know what is what. So you have shampoo, moisturizer, hair conditioner, sunscreen, toner. You have everything you need right here, and I think this is the perfect set. So I definitely recommend you check it out on Amazon and use it for the next time you travel.